Happy New Year, everybody! Let's jump into it together. Because 2023 is the year of the rabbit, let's fold it together. So, all you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and if you don't have it, you can check this video up here on how to make it. So, let's start with folding it. We'll first fold it on the middle line, so we'll fold it in half. And press it down. And now we'll open it again and fold it again in half, but on this line here. Like this. Now we'll open it and we'll fold both sides of the paper into the center line. So we'll fold these two parts in half. So one side into the center line, press it down, and now the other. Like this. Now we'll fold this bottom line of the paper into the center line, so we'll fold this part in half. Now I will fold my paper round to show you, so I will unfold this last step and I will fold this top square of the paper on this diagonal line, so I will fold this corner of the paper down to this. So on one side and also on the other side. And just press it down. Like this. Now we will unfold these last two steps and we'll open this part of the paper. So place one finger to this line here, another finger insert into the paper and just open it on the lines that we have and press it down. So hold it in this section of the paper, open this layer and just bring it on the lines as far as it goes, like this. Now we'll just flip those two layers of the paper upwards on this folded line. So bring one up and the other up. In next step, we'll flip our paper over and we'll fold this corner of the paper here to the center of the paper and this corner of the paper to this corner. So we'll fold it to this. So one corner, the other corner, align it and press it down like this. Now open it and the same with the other side. So this corner goes to this and this corner goes to this center cross. So one corner, the center, align it and press it down like this. So now we'll open this layer of the paper and as you see we have those two guided lines here. We'll place our finger underneath and bring it inwards to the center like this. And now we will just press this part of the paper downwards. You already have your guidelines, so don't be afraid. Like this. Now let's finish the head of the bunny. So we'll flip the top right layer of the paper over and we'll fold this line of the paper here to the center line. So align it with the center line and press it down. Now flip both layers of the bunny head over, so one layer, second layer, and also with this part, align this line of paper with the center line. Like this, and press it down. Now flip this top right layer of paper over, and as you can see, we have bunny head and bunny ears. Like this. Now we'll tack a little bit of bunny ear backwards, so on one side and same on the other side, like this. And if I turn it around, it's like this. And we need to do the snout of the bunny, so we'll tack the upper layer of the paper and we'll tack it backwards on this line. So it doesn't matter where, just tack it backwards. Try to make the line as straight as it can and just like this press it down. Now that the head of the bunny is completed, let's start with folding the legs and the body of our bunny. So we'll flip our paper over and we'll fold this corner of the paper up to this one here. So fold this part in half, so corner to corner, and as you can see, it will align with the bottom layer of the paper. And now we'll press it down, but just on this part of the paper. So press it down on this, and if I lift it up, you see that those two lines are aligned. And now bring this layer of the paper backwards and do the same with the other side. So fold this line in half, so bring this corner of the paper up to this upper corner. Align it and press it down only on this part of the paper, so on this triangle. And now open it back. Now flip your origami bunny over and we'll fold the sides of the paper into the center line. So bring one side of the paper inwards, align it with the middle line, press it down on a whole length. Do the same with the other, so bring it to the center line. And press it down. Like this. Now we'll open our last steps and we'll fold this bottom corner of the paper up to this corner right here. So bring this to this. So we'll fold it in half. Like this. Bring the bottom layer of the paper, but now press it down just between those two lines. So if I count it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between the second line and the fourth. So second through third to fourth, just on this part. And now we'll open it and do the same on the other side. So now bring this bottom left corner of the paper up to this corner right here. Bring both layers of the paper and press it down between, so 1, 2, second line through third line down to fourth line right here, so on this part. Now that you have it, unfold it and we'll fold this bottom line of the paper up to this line here, so we'll fold it in half and press it down. And again, we will fold it in half. So again, bring this bottom line of the paper up to this one and press it down. Now here comes the hard part. As you can see, we have a line right here that is diagonal. We will fold it in the opposite direction that it is. So fold it on the line, and once you have it, bring this side of the paper inwards so that it closes together. Just take your time with it. I know that this is the hardest part of our paper bunny. So on one side and again on the other. Fold it on this line, but just the other way that it's folded. And bring the sides of the paper inwards. And press it down. Now that this part is folded, we will open this upper layer of the paper and we'll tuck this triangle of the paper upwards that we have. So we will lift our head of the bunny and tuck it inwards like this. So if I lift it upwards, so open this part, lift the head of the bunny upwards and just push this part of the paper inwards like this. With that step, we've made front bunny legs. And now we will lift the head of the bunny and front bunny legs upwards. You already have the lines to do it. And if I turn it around, all we need to do is fold this part of the paper so that our bunny will jump. We'll flip our bunny over the head, and we will fold our bunny in half with this point. So from this line to this line in half. Try to do it as best as you can. Now all we need to do is bring the legs of our bunny over. So bring it on one side over and on the other side like this. And now if I flip it around, and we have our jumping origami bunny.